In this lesson, we are going to add push notification to our application, which is a way to send message to our users. The users that have our application installed can receive the message at any time that we want to send. Or if you have any application that is showing updates, how I was in Evolab, every time that there was a new virus case, I was just sending a new push notification to tell people of the case. Okay, so go back to parse.com and we have a section push. Click on learn how to send push notifications. Click on Android push tutorial. Okay, and here we have a tutorial. So I'm going to go a bit faster just to explain how to do it. But please, if you have any problem, just repeat the video or take a look at this step by step, which is explained with better English than mine for sure. So okay, I'm going to start copying the receiver. This receiver has to be pasted before closing the application tab. So come to the manifest, and before closing the application tab, I'm going to paste it. It also says that every time that you see parse tutorial, just change this for your example. Look at this comment. So this is going to be our package name, which was example 2. Let me check at the top, Sweet Apps Comp sample 2. Yeah, that's right. Okay. The next thing is the permission on our manifest. So we need all of these permissions. So I'm just going to copy the extra permission that we need, and I'm going to delete the permission which I already have. Okay, and I also have to change this parse tutorial. Okay, we need to remove this. We just need to use our package name. We don't need the .push notification. So okay, the same thing here. Just change parse tutorial push notification for your package name. So this way. Okay. Fine. I think I don't have any permission more. Repeat. Okay. Third thing, choose your push icon. Okay, this also needs to be on the application tab. I'm just going to use the launcher for now. Okay, add your parse API key. As you know, we already have this in a Splash activity that we did in the first map view example. Okay, and then we have to enable push notification. And this has to be on create of my application class. We don't have any application class at the moment, just activities. So I'm going to do it on create of my activity. Okay. Remember, make sure that you choose parse exception from com.parse. Okay. Yeah, this is what we have done. Just import the statements, and now we can launch our application and test a push notification. So let's launch our application. Again, this has to be with your real device or with the Google emulator, because we need the Google Play service. Okay, the application has launched. Now I'm going to go to push and to go back because it was at the top. I'm going to go to push and I'm going to send a push. Okay. push to everyone. Send now. Okay, yeah, everyone. Okay, these are not updated yet. Okay, I have tried to make it work with the method subscribe to the push in a Splash activity, even if here it recommends to do it on my application class. So what was happening for me, if it was going to the push, to try to send the push, I was not having any user. Even if I run the application was not subscribing and I didn't have any recipient to test the push. So for that, they are forcing me to create the application class. So I'm just going to create a new class called my application, which extends applications. And in the manifest, very important, we have to say that our application is going to use that class my application. So this is a general class that is application that contains all the activity. So if we want to have variables shared between all the activities, we could do it here. So this my application has one method on create that we can override. And every time that we create our application is when we have to call that method. So I'm going to come to a Splash activity and these two methods from parse, I'm just going to call them where they recommend, which is on the application class. Okay. I didn't want to explain the application class for the course because it's not necessary for beginners, but as you can see, this is not a big deal. Just create the class and add it to the manifest. And now if I run the application, I will see one recipient here. It will subscribe and I will be able to test the push finally. It will allow me to click on the button. So now if I show you the mobile, you can see my push notification on the top. Here it is. Okay.